Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change profile picture on Threads. First of all, you can open the Threads application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on edit profile. And after this, you can just simply click on the profile picture, and now you can tap on choose from library, and now you can just simply select another picture. I can select this picture. After selecting the other picture, you can now tap on choose at bottom right corner of the screen, and now you can tap on done at top right corner of the screen. And this is the way you can change profile picture on Threads application. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.